Hello everyone. Let us solve problem A of AtCoder regular contest 110. In this problem, you are given a number n and you have to find a number x such that x is between n and 10 to the power 13, and that x should satisfy the following condition: that when you will divide x by 2, you will get remainder 1. When you divide x by 3, you will get remainder as 1, and the same goes for all the number till n. So from this you can say that x minus 1 modulus 2 will be 0, and similarly x minus 1 modulus 3 will be 0, and so on till x minus 1 modulus n. So if you can find out the value of x minus 1, then you can add 1 to get the value of x. So we can say that x minus 1 be equal to number which is divisible by number which is divisible by 2, 3 till n. And from here you can find x by adding 1 to this number, the number that you will find. So the only task left is finding the number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 till n. So one such number can be, you can take the product of all the number till n, right? But there is issue with this value. There can be issue. So it can go, so the n can go at max 30 as per the constraints, and 30 factorial is a very big number which will cross this 10 to the power 13. So we have to find out some smaller number, the smaller number that we can find, and in maths that is known as LCM. So LCM of all the number 2, 3 till n, this thing will be divisible by 2, 3 and till n, and this will be the minimum one. Okay, so the answer will be x, which is equal to 1 plus LCM of number till n. This is the answer, and we have to calculate the LCM of number from 2 to n. That's it, and we are done. So let us write code for this. I will keep it here for the reference. Okay, so I already have two functions written over here, the GCD and the LCM function, and the only input in the problem is number n. Now we have to find the LCM of all the number from 2 to n. So we'll iterate from 2 till n, and we'll calculate the LCM of the whatever number we have processed so far with the current number. So once you do this, you will have the LCM of all the number from 2 to n. Then after this you can print the answer. So you know the LCM. Now you have to add 1 to get the value of x. So x will be answer plus 1. Let us check this for one example. So if n is 4, so it is giving 13 because the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. And you have added 1 to get 13. So that's it for the problem. Thank you for watching the video.